Onet, a revolutionary social networking platform, helps you connect with your friends and family and discover new ones. Connecting with your digital life. Onet is perhaps one of the most excellent social media platforms. Onet is a social network that encourages you to connect with your communities of individuals who share your interest. It helps you connect with your friends and family and discover new ones with highlights like groups, watch, and marketplace. You can utilize it to send images, text, audio, and video content to another user individually or in groups. Onet has evolved with advanced artificial intelligence technology to fit its users' requirements and attract new ones. Onet likewise offers focused and targeted advertising opportunities for individuals who want to increase visibility to explicit consumers. Businesses can also utilize Onet to send personal messages to customers. With an online chat platform like Onet, you can browse and join networks coordinated and organized into 4 categories: regions, workplace, colleges, and high schools. You can find friends in multiple ways, including search engines to search for a particular individual and a lot more. Onet also effectively promotes businesses, making it a safe thing if you want to have a presence on social media. Onet is an intricately built social networking platform that gives you unique and effective social media connectivity. Helping you to bridge the gap of distance, you can now connect with people that matter to you and your interest in a highly secure and feature-rich application. Onet lets you share images, videos, texts, and GIFs with your friends privately and publish them for everyone to see, all the time keeping your profile secure. Enabled with artificial intelligence technology, it helps you connect with the right set of people who matches your interest. Onet offers businesses the advantage of targeted advertisements to reach a wider customer base and bring about brand awareness. With its multi-layered features, Onet is not just more engaging, but is highly effective in creating a social network that is more meaningful. This is Robert Tantullo, Onpassive proud founder and your fellow legacy leader. For a complete list of facts and questions on our product, head over to www.onpassive.com. Thank you for watching and make it a great day.